In this tutorial, we will show you the petrol modes for your Tapo C220 camera. So let's start up the Tapo app. Select the camera. So this is the current view. In order to set up petrol mode, you need to go to settings. Petrol mode is under pan and tilt. Petrol mode is off. Turn it on. In order to turn on petrol mode, you need to mark two locations. So let's do that. We'll add mark for this current location. So you can actually zoom in. You can add mark. We'll call this home. You can select the layover time at this home, from 1 minute all the way to 60 minutes. We'll leave it as 1 minute. Let's save. Let's add the second mark. So you can set it to patrol the White House. Let's add mark. We'll call this White House. Similarly, the layover time is 1 minute. Let's save. Let's add a third mark. Let's add mark for the leaning tower. We'll call it leaning tower. Once again, the layover time, we'll leave it as 1 minute. Let's save. Now you can turn on the petrol mode. So this is the petrol mode for your Tapo C220 camera.